Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P550e 38.2kWh Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant and finished in Batumi gold. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Batumi gold exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. As well, you also have your 3-pin plug cable and your wall box cable. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 75 miles. On a 7 kilowatt charge it can take up to 5 hours, and on a 50 kilowatt it can take up to 40 minutes. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 16,552 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, ride height and of course weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. The front seats in this vehicle are in fact massage seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for both hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this, you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel at a comfortable temperature. This vehicle also features a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. And perhaps if you need a bit more assistance, you also have your park assist. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P550e 38.2kWh Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.